Hi there, I'm going to show you today how to connect your Apple TV to your Wi-Fi network. So we plug in our Apple TV and then we need to go to settings. So it's the icon cog and then we choose network, obviously. Now I'm already connected to my network, but we'll choose the network and then let's search for other networks. So it's going to pick up all the other networks nearby. Taking a moment to do this. And then you can see the network, so let's choose. So I'm going to connect to my 5G network. So we just select the 5G network or the network you wish to connect to. And then you just ask for your password. I've never found pressing the hold microphone button to spell it in, so use the scroll backwards and forwards on the remote to type it in. It works out quicker for me in the end. Just press done. Now obviously I'm still connected to my original network, but that's all you need to do, and your Wi-Fi will show that you're connected to a network. Just press the menu button to go back. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share.